Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Pierre and this is Simple Home Brew. It's the 19th of December 2021. It's been a wonderful day. I work in retail, so this is what happens. I am having a ball. This coming home to this is just what I look forward to. It's awesome. I wish I could do this more often, but you know how it is. I'm not going to. It's too much work. Today I came into my shed and smelled this god-awful smell, and I didn't know where it was coming from. And as you've probably seen in the start of my videos, I do a little bit of an intro to the products I'm about to try, and the cans I've already tried. Now the cans I've already tried, I didn't rinse. And as I walked in the shed, I realised why I should have. They're starting to rot, and it smells like dog crap, I must say. But I'm going to leave them. I know, it's only 5-6 days ago or something like that. It's not much longer. Friday is our last day, so we've got 5 more brews after this one, and I think it would be fun. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I'll get through it. Today, we got Outsider Lager, which is done by Bridge Road Brewers. Again, it's 4.5% alcohol, 355ml can. This looks like a promising one. It doesn't really say much other than what they've written up on it. The write-up pretty much says, Outsider Lager is a locally inspired take on the most classic of styles. It's brewed with the finest of Australian-grown ingredients, sourced from producers we can call friends. We embrace the art of lager pioneers and create the balanced and supremely drinkable beer, best enjoyed outside naturally. And they're really good at what they do. Their labelling is nice. It's not overly high in alcohol, which is great because I don't know if I want that hit today. We'll open her up, see what it sounds like and see what it tastes like. A little bit of a hiss there, thank you. Smells mild. Pour it in our glass. Whoop, 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 whoop. That's coming out, that's getting caught on the can there. That was weird. Anyway, don't want to fluff it up too much. Nice colour, nice hue, not too bad to look at. Looks pretty good actually, looks really refreshing. Smells like a beer from the pub, from a tap. It's not high in hops or any kind of dominating beers. It's actually quite beery. It's just mild. There's nothing thrown at it, and it's obviously one of those beers where you just sit back and relax and just sip. It definitely has that dirty flavour to it that I keep tasting from some of these beers. I don't know what that is. It's just it's just a standard beer. It has a dirty flavour. Sorry guys, if you guys are watching it. To me, that's what it tastes like. The smell is just normal. It's a basic beer. It really tastes like my extracts. Look, I'm sorry. I don't like it. It's not an overly nice beer. It's dryish, not overly sweet. A little bit of flavour, but not overly nuts of flavour. No overbearing notes I can tell. It really does taste like just a basic lager. And I'm sure that could be what they're aiming for. I'm not sure. It could be a bit older. I'm not sure. What's the date on it? Let's see if the brew date's a bit different. Okay, best before 31st of the 8th, 28. No, it can't be right. I'll get the fogginess off the bottom here. That's better. Best before the 31st of the 8th, 22. Produced 21st of the 8th, 21. So they expect their beers to last a year. So yeah, I'm getting a metallic smell. And, you know, carbonation and stuff like that. I mean, it's slammable. It's not hugely carbonated, which is great. I'll go back on that. As you're drinking it, the flavours come back out and it tastes better all the time. It's not bad. Not a bad beer. Not something to write home about. Not something I go to the supermarket and buy. I'm expecting... I know it's a lager and it's not going to be hoppy. It's going to be just refreshing and tasty. And I kind of expect a lager to be a bit more sweet. I'm not sure if that's a normal or if I'm just wrong about that. It certainly is drinkable. And if you want to have a session with your mates, I mean, by all means, it's going to go down well. Making it nice and having it nice and cold. And even freezing your glass before drinking it would make a huge difference to the flavouring. Not bad, it's okay. Cheers guys, look, I'm not going to lie to you. If I don't like something that much, I'm going to let you know. And I'm sorry, but I'm not partial to this one. And that's about 4 that I didn't like out of, so far, 19. It's not too bad. Anyway, cheers guys, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. And we'll see you on the next one, when I'm a bit less tired. Cheers guys, see you soon.